This is a video on how to winterize your 95 Ski Nautique with the PCM GT40 engine. First, you need to take the engine cover off, which I've already done here, and then you need to loosen up this water intake from the bottom of the hull of the boat. After you have this loose, you need to take your hose off. It should come up easily. Maybe. Maybe not. First, make sure your clamps are loose enough. Then, it actually pulls up pretty easy. Then you gotta stick this in a bucket, like so. You then need to pour 5 gallons of non-toxic marine antifreeze in this bucket. For RV antifreeze, that's what we usually use, is non-toxic RV antifreeze. This bucket will barely hold it. After that, you just start your boat up. Make sure all this stuff is out of the way. $1,211.6 hours. And you can see it will suck out all of this stuff pretty quickly. Once the bucket is empty, you just switch it off. And since that's about it, we'll cut it off. Then all you have to do is replace your intake hose back on the bottom of the boat, and you're all set.